So this calf and foot massager stopped working for the calves. So I took this apart. What I found was they have a worm drive down at the bottom that goes to the foot massager. Then the calf massager, apparently, worm drive is not in there. So I'm going to take this apart, see if I can get down to the bottom of it. Well, I opened up the motor housing and I can't seem to find the shaft. Once I got the brushes off of it, by the way, you can see that this housing right here has two pretty big cracks. Well, the shaft is not here. I mean, looks like it was never here because I can't find the rest of it, and I don't think this thing has been opened before. But you can see it looks like there's an indentation of a shaft down there. But again, I can't find anything up here, even when I make this thing rotate. It's weird. It's very bizarre that you can't find it. So if you look on the other side, there's clearly a shaft in there for the foot massager part. So let's see, I think I can get this thing open. I would say you can just push the shaft out further from this side to this side, but it appears there's some type of retention ring right here. Let me get some light. I don't know if you can see it. But there appears to be a groove. Sorry for the focus, but there appears to be a groove on the shaft where this little retention ring goes on. So it doesn't appear like the shaft has retreated into here at all. It just seems that it's broken off, but I can't find it. So I don't really know what to make of this. Seems like this foot massager and calf massager is not going to be doing any more massaging. So unfortunately, that is where we stand. Probably just going to throw this thing in the trash because I don't know how else to fix it.